When I'm asked the best way to gain insight into student understanding, whether they are getting it or not, whether they understand all of the indicators, then that's the perfect time for me to talk about formative assessment. Join me in this A to Z series of formative assessments. Hi, skillful teachers, and welcome to Skillful Teaching with Dr. Angela. I'm Angela McCord, skillful teacher and education consultant. I created this channel to motivate, inspire, and uplift teachers everywhere, and also increase my professional learning network. I am so excited right now that this idea came to my head while I was thinking about how to fulfill a challenge that I made to myself, which is to post 30 videos in 30 days. So upload a video every day for the month of July. As I was thinking about that, this series idea, and I thought about why not formative assessments. So hands down, formative assessments are the best way to gauge whether your students are learning or not. So this is going to be fun sharing these bits of formative assessments with you on a daily basis. I have planned out an entire A to Z series of how to use formative assessment in the classroom and how they can be transitioned into virtual learning as well. Because to be honest, we really don't know what form of learning is going to be happening in the near future. But what we don't want to do is stop the teaching and learning process. Now is a great time to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And that way you will get each one of these formative assessment videos right into your inbox. At 300 subscribers, I will be giving away a free Audible book. That's right. You can choose any book in the Audible library and it will be yours for absolutely zero. Free 99, I'm talking. So subscribe, share, and leave a comment about your formative assessment from A to Z. To kick us off with our first alphabet, A, our formative assessment is ABC check. With this strategy, each student must select a word starting with that letter that is related to the topic being studied. As a whole class, the students will share their words and the logic of why they chose them. This is easily adaptable to a virtual setting as well, utilizing the chat. ABC check. Quick and simple, but still provides you information on student learning. This video was brought to you by the letter A. Thank you for watching, learning, and sharing about formative assessments, because we know quality teaching is quality education.